Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This simple video is all about fixing the issue with Fortnite servers. Whenever trying to launch the game, you got the error Fortnite servers not responding. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. From here, you will find the game playing right over here. Go ahead, right click on it and choose the option End Task. After closing the Fortnite, close Task Manager and open Epic Launcher. Now click on the option Library, scroll down, click on this 3-dot icon next to the Fortnite and click on the option Manage. From here, under the launch options, turn it on and in the space bar type in -limit client tricks. Once you are done so, close it, go ahead, restart your Epic Games launcher and then relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Fortnite servers not responding. And nextly is, if you are not using any kind of VPN, go ahead and use a VPN, and Proton VPN is one of the best VPN and is available at completely free of cost. Try launching the game using the Proton VPN after changing the launch options in this Epic Games launcher to fix out the issue of Fortnite servers not responding. If this failed to work out, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. From here, whichever your internet connection is, right click on it and choose the option Properties. First of all, uncheck the option TCP/IP-v6. Now click on the option TCP/IP-v4 and hit the Properties option. Now here we are going to use the Google DNS. So type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS type in 8.8.4.4. Once you have done these changes, click on the option OK. Now close it. Now click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Type here a command ipconfig //DNS and hit the enter key. Once you have done these changes, go ahead and restart your Fortnite game to fix out the issue of Fortnite servers not responding. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Again, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here inet cpl.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now from here, click on the option Connections. Now under the LAN settings, click on the option LAN settings. Now from here, if this particular option is check marked proxy server, go ahead and uncheck it and make sure you check mark this particular option, automatically detect settings. Once you have done these changes, hit OK, hit the OK button again. Now go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Fortnite servers not responding. However, if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to check the Fortnite servers, whose link I'll provide you in the description of this video. Select or expand your Fortnite game and from here you will be able to find the exact status of the Fortnite servers, so that if the problem is from the developer end, it will be fixed by them only. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.